Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Skills Academy. Today we're going to see how to join group in Roblox. If you're new to Roblox or just looking to connect with players who are sharing your interests, one of the best ways to do so is by joining a Roblox group. Groups are like mini communities where you can meet people, get perks, and even collaborate on projects. Here's how to find and join a group in just a few minutes. Firstly, start by opening Roblox and signing into your account. You'll need to be logged in to search and join groups. Now at the top of the screen, click on the search bar and type in either the name of the group you're looking for or just keywords related to your interests, like anime, roleplay, or building. Browse through the search results until you find a group that catches your eye. Take your time to check out the different communities available. And then click on the group's name to open its page. Here you can see the group's description, activities, rules, and how many members are already part of it. Now just click on the Join Group option, and if the group is open, you'll instantly become a member. And if it's private, your request will be sent to the admin for approval, and you'll have to wait until they accept you. And that's it, you're officially a part of a Roblox group. You can do community engagement, exclusive perks, collaborations, and learning opportunities. And that's how easy it is to find and join groups in Roblox. If this video helped you, make sure to like, drop a comment telling us what kind of groups you've joined, and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.